Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sort your files on Android phone. So in here, I've already on my Android phone, and I'm going to just start by going to the files app first. So I'm going to go to Google and open the files apps. So in here, this is my apps, my files, and for example here I'm going to go to the audio and to sort the files so you can find it easily. You can just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, and here click on sort by, and there will be this option. So you can sort the files based on the newest date first or the oldest date, or here you can also sort it by name. So let's try to sort it by name. Click on the name A to Z, and just like that the files will be short. So you can just use this steps also for other folders. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.